Let's see how we can increase your height in any photos quickly within 1 minute. We will convert this girl to this. Here, as you can see, she looks slimmer and taller. Okay, so let's get started. First, go to this URL. I'll have this link in the description below. Now, it not just allows you to increase the height, it also allows you to increase or decrease waistline, belly, breasts, and all the other stuff. So let's get our hands dirty and see how you can do it quickly within 1 minute. So just click on upload for image and click on device and select your image. I'll choose this girl. Here you will see body reshape. Okay, now if you are here, you see a lot of options like this. Just click on body reshape and you'll get these options: tall, slim, and so on. So I'll click on tall, and here you'll see this blue box here. Now this means which part do you want to enlarge. So if you select the body, the legs will kind of look the same and the body will be taller. So increase the intensity and go to 100. As you can see, now the legs look same but the body has increased. But if you want to increase the legs, make it smaller or make it narrower, select the legs. You can make it as narrow as this one and increase the intensity. Okay, or let's increase it this much so that the calf muscles are also included, and increase it, and the legs now look taller. Similarly, you can make her slim, make the breasts bigger or smaller, increase or decrease the belly size. So let's try this with the belly. Now select the belly. You can increase or decrease the radius. Okay, and if you decrease it, the belly size will look smaller. Okay, once you're satisfied, just click on apply, click on download, and here you can select JPEG or PNG. PNG is pro, so just select JPEG and click on download, and it will ask you to log in and download. Just select Gmail or Facebook, whichever you want to log in with, and click on login and download, and your image will be downloaded. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.